only hope that people in their wisdom will vote for the right person. And Elvis Combs is the most suitable among the three candidates who are standing for election. Most suitable because he is young. His views are of the governance. He all the time says that I will protect the state. Let us give him a chance. I am saying we will give the young man a chance so that Goa goes forward or at least makes an attempt to go forward. This is not a time to be dilly-dallying with our thoughts. Oh, the Congress will come, the BJP will come if you vote for that person. What happened in Delhi? Delhi, the AAP came to power and by defeating both of them. That could be done here, that could be a repetition. So therefore, the UJP thinks that the best option for us today is to vote for the AAP candidate, Elvis Combs. That doesn't make a difference. Power is not the thing that we are looking for. What we are looking for is to upset the present dispensation in Goa. If AAP comes to power here, then certainly the whole thing will keep on moving. So we need someone to move the entire state. It is not whether who will come to power in Delhi. Who will be representing us in the parliament is the most important thing. We have to have our own voice in the parliament. That voice has never been there. Congressmen who have gone there have been remaining silent. The BJP people who have gone there have remained silent. Nobody has voiced our grievances. And when we sent Churchill there, you know what he did for us, what a representative was. So therefore we require a voice, yes. Radha is found on the platform of Babush, but Radha is found on the platform of Churchill, of Joachim. He is found on the platform everywhere. Personally, he is pursuing his own agenda. That has nothing to do with the party agenda. Party thinks of the state, of our own state, and of the people of the state. We have to protect whatever is left of it. Maybe we will not make a dent, but at least we will try. We will not give up hopes.